Hey guys, it's Eric with my 2020 chassis, 2021 Sprinter van, and I have a intercooler hose that failed, which is this guy. You can see right up in the front there, right there, the thing pops out. You can see the inside up top. What happens is you're driving and then you'll just hear a ton of air noise when you're revving it. It's your turbo intercool. So how you take it off, and I'll show you where it's at. You have this clip that you pry with a screwdriver and a plier to loosen the top piece there and the bottom, and you just pry that out. The top one here is a clip. The clip goes up, facing upward underneath. It's about a 10-minute fix. It's located right on the driver's side underneath this hose right. Let's see if that's better. Right here. So clips right there, and you have that upper clip right up here. It's about a 10-minute fix. What ends up happening is you go into limp mode, so you can only drive about 35 miles an hour. The code you might see on the front of the check engine would be a P0299. Doesn't mean it's a hose. It could be something else with the turbo, but definitely look for that if you hear a loud noise when you're air. It just sounds like air when you're gassing it. And that's just your turbo. You can still drive it. It's just 35 miles an hour. You can order the part. Should probably have that in stock or on the van. Picked it up online at Amazon for about $63. You could go to Mercedes for $300 and change, or you could go online, and I've seen them for $150. Because if you're stuck somewhere, you're pretty much in limp mode. There's nothing you can do. It's about a 10-minute fix, so pretty easy. I'll talk to you later. The hose, you'll see that little clip up on top there, the little silver bump. What you'll do is take a little screwdriver to that piece that's popping out, that little piece of metal, and pry it out. For this guy, you'll just go in with a screwdriver and a little plier to grab those little tabs underneath and up on the side, up a little bit on top. And then pretty much, there you go. It's literally a 10-minute fix. Any questions, you can always PM me or let us know. But that's your intercooler for your turbo.